I've just been at this interesting business conference. It's insane. All these 19-year-olds making 70 grand a month. And somebody asked me for my #1 tip for them to make more money. And I said, look, ignore most people. Most people don't know what they're talking about. But when you find a few people that actually do know what they're talking about, listen to what they say. And that's the secret of life in all areas. And so, you know, I'm lucky because years ago, somebody told me the secret to making 6 figures is you got to break it down into simple steps, because or else you get overwhelmed. And the simple steps, it's very easy. You got to make $8,000 a month. If you break that up in 30 days in a month, you don't even have to make $300 a day. You need to make $200 to $300 a day. Now the question is, you know, how can you figure out how to make $200 to $300 a day? I think the biggest trend and opportunity of 2017 is for you to get small businesses to pay you to do their social media marketing. They'll pay you because these old people that own businesses, they know how to run business, but they don't know anything about Instagram, Snapchat, email marketing. So I created a course. I'm gonna put a link. Click the link below. It might be above or somewhere up here. Click it. I got a free presentation that you can sign up for. It's quick and easy. It'll explain to you this. I think this is the biggest trend of 2017, especially if you're starting out and you've never had your own business, you don't know what to do, you feel overwhelmed. Trust me. I've put like 10,000 people through the social media training since November, and the results are amazing. Now, some people, you know, are doing 30 grand a month, but not everybody is. But a lot of people are making an extra grand a month, an extra 2 grand, an extra 3 grand. And that adds up over time. So I'm actually going to see my 99-year-old grandma. She turned 99 2 weeks ago. So I'm leaving the conference, put the top up because it's cold. San Diego can be cold. So anyway, click the link, check it out.